Hey everyone, Josh here from the Golden Vanguard, and today's video we gonna talk about how to download Minecraft PE or MCPE or Minecraft Pocket Edition for free without jailbreak and others that hack. And let's do it. So you gotta download the new um you gotta download you gotta move to m.aptoid.com. Let me show that. m.aptoid, that's the spelling of aptoid. I give you 2 seconds. 1, 2, and go. Aptoid.com. After that, um click this, install Aptoid. It's completely free, and after you install it, after you download it, move to settings, and you're gonna need to go to security and make the announce sources to on. Wait guys, I'm gonna post. And after that, you're done. And after you install the Aptoid, you're gonna open that Aptoid, and let's go to Aptoid and search Minecraft, and it's completely free. And my internet connection is so slow guys, so we're gonna take so long this. So yes, this is Minecraft Pocket Edition, and I have this because I download this, so it's completely free, working well. That flag results, and it's fully working, and it's 4.6 rating, and the latest version is now 1.1.3.0. And after install that, it will take a while to install, but as you can see there, now I have that. Open that, and there's no lag, and it's completely original Minecraft. And so guys, you have now a Minecraft Pocket Edition for free. No jailbreak, no others. And look at that. It's completely original. No anything else. And look at that. And I'm gonna post this. And guys, so it's colormatic. And so guys, it's done. You have a Minecraft Pocket Edition for free, and it's completely free, and no anything else, no hacks. And I'm gonna see you guys, so make sure you slap that like button, smash that like button with your pink toe, and try that. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell and comment I love this video, I subscribe. And I'm gonna show more tutorials about MCPE. So guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye.